If you were part of the last episode, we discussed environmental impact and composition of poultry waste. On today's episode, we will talk about strategies and we'll end it with ways to effectively dispose your poultry waste. If you're ready, hit on that like button, drop a comment on the comment section, and let's get started. Okay guys, first management strategy I'm going to be talking about today is composting. Yes, turning it into compost. Now, poultry waste can be turned into compost, and that can actually help stabilize nutrients, reduce the odor, and enhance its suitability as a soil conditioner. As you know, compost serves as a soil conditioner. Now, when composting system is properly managed, it helps to promote the breakdown of organic matter and reduces the risk of nutrient runoff. Let's talk about the next, which is anaerobic digestion. Now, this process involves decomposing of organic matter in absence of oxygen. Now, this thus produces biogas. Now, this anaerobic digestion is the same way biogas is being produced. All right. Then the waste product is called a digestate. That's what some people call slurry. All right. Now, anaerobic digestion does not only address waste management but provides additional source of renewable energy. We'll actually talk about or unveil business idea on this in our next episode. But for now, let's leave it that way. Okay, number 3, we have precision application. Now, precision application refers to specifically applying manure where it is needed at the rate that the crop needs it. I don't know if you get it. Now, when you apply the required amount of nutrient that a crop needs at a particular time, specifically to that crop or to that area of land, that is what is called precision application. Now, let me put it in a formal setting. Now, applying poultry manure at rates that are tailored to crop nutrient requirement is what is referred to as precision application, and this helps to minimize nutrient runoff. Now, precision application methods such as variable rate technology help to optimize the use efficiency of the nutrient. Okay, we're talking next about waste to energy technology. Now, exploring innovative technologies such as converting poultry waste to energy can provide sustainable solutions. Bioenergy productions from poultry waste can contribute to reducing environmental impact while they generate useful resources. Poultry waste management is therefore a very critical aspect of sustainable agriculture. And when we understand the composition of poultry waste and adopt these effective methods and management strategies, the poultry industry can actually mitigate the environmental risk that is posing to the environment and embrace more sustainable and resilient food production systems to actually help promote it. So, continued research and adoption of innovative technologies is very essential in addressing these challenges affecting the poultry waste sector. And next, we talk about what are the effective or efficient poultry waste disposal methods. So guys, we've talked about 4 different approaches to effectively manage poultry waste. One is composting, the second is anaerobic digestion, third is precision application, while the fourth is waste to energy technology. I'm going to just talk about one more to conclude this episode, which is integrated farming systems. All of us know what integrated farming is. When you have crops, when you have different farming systems in one area of land. Now, let's actually say you have your poultry, you have your crop farm, you have mixed farming system where fertilizers that comes from your poultry pen is used for your crops, and it also can also be used for other livestock or other plants and animals that you have on the farm. Now, let's take this for instance. When you are having your poultry waste that is generated used to feed fish, I know you must have heard that poultry manure serves as food for fish. So when you use it to feed fish and the water from the fish is being diverted to your garden or to your crop farm, then I would actually say you are effectively utilizing and maximizing the resource utilization, thereby reducing external input in your farm. So instead of buying 10 bags of feed, you are doing it ratio 50-50, 50% manure or poultry dung used to feed fish and 50% fish feed. So you are cutting costs. Now, most people go to the extent of using 70% poultry manure with 30% manufactured feed, and they still get very good results. So you don't tell me that you actually have a poultry pen and you're actually still using 100% feed and complaining that your fish are consuming a lot if you have a fish pond as well. So why don't you actually structure it in such a way that your fish make use of the poultry manure, while the water from the poultry manure is channeled probably into your small garden or into your crop farm. So doing this can actually help you reduce the rate at which environmental pollution is being or ammonia is being emitted into the atmosphere from the poultry manure, and it can actually help preserve our environment the more. Thank you so much, and next week we'll talk about different ways in which you can unlock the important or unlock the gold beneath the coop, and how to make money from what you have underneath that your battery cage or whatever you call your litter. All right guys, thank you so much, and this is where I say goodbye for this episode. Thank you so much, dedicated listener, for joining us on this journey through the fields of knowledge on GAC Podcast. Your commitment to learning about agriculture and environmental sustainability continues to inspire us. If you've enjoyed this episode, do not forget to show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing for more insightful content, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Together, let's sow the seeds of a sustainable future. Until next time, happy farming.